So in June of 2014, Amy and I had an idea. Hey, let's build a pool house. Yeah, just some little 1 bedroom, 1 bath, a little apartment. But no, we can probably add a couple more rooms, So we made it a little bigger. And then we started putting down the form tubes and getting ready for the foundation. And there ended up being like 70 something of these form tubes in the ground. Then came the joists and the girdles, and it was a lot. This thing was 20 by 50. That's Hayden when he was 8 getting in on it, and this is Tyler and Garrett helping out. A little more of the girders and the joists going in. Time for decking. And this is in the middle of July, and what were we thinking? Everybody's getting their hands on it. It takes the whole team. The floor is covered, and we were so happy. Had all the OSB down, and we weren't thinking about, well, what if it rains? Well, it did rain, and it warped every one of the seams. So let's stand up some walls. This was our first wall. There's Tyler and Anna Blake. And we've got the third row wall going up. Some of the inside shots of the supports. 3 walls are stood. It's starting to look like a house. We were really excited. Some of the interior walls going up now. And that's me laying out a base or a cap. So we got ceiling joist up now. And those were some heavy 20-foot 2x6s, I will tell you. We left the light on and was like, oh, that's going to be what the house looks like. Then we hired the roof out, and they did that thing in 2 days, and we were grateful. Drywall, not our favorite thing to do, but we had to do it. Now the ceiling sprayed, the walls primed. A little more of that in one of the bedrooms. This ended up being a 3-bed, 1.5 bath. Now we got the wall color on, and the Graco paint sprayer makes easy work of that. This is the bathroom, and that's a little pocket that goes over to the half bath for the outside, because we wanted somewhere for the pool guest to go and use. And this is the kitchen, and that's some of the cabinetry that we're going to put in there. Got the can lights in. That is the laundry area right behind that microwave. We finally got water running to it. One step closer. Ceiling fans in and running. This is another one of the small bedrooms. That's some flooring we did not use. And there's some turlets. And this is kind of a dark view of the living room kitchen area, where this is the master bedroom. And we finally made steps to get inside. No more stepping up on bricks. This flooring came from Storehouse Salvage, and this is the end of run, so they had not cut it into flooring strips. This was big 5x8 sheets we got for $10 a piece. Did the whole house for $300 and just laid them down. It was a lot of work. They were very heavy. Those marks of where the seams were sealed. That's the sturdiest sawhorses I've ever made out of 2x6s. They didn't have enough for the whole house, so we did this kind of rustic type of flooring in that one room. And this is the house with siding on it, windows in. Bathroom is almost done. Got the vanity in there. There's the kitchen. Everything's set up to where it's going to be. Another shot of the kitchen. We just repurposed cabinetry. And we rented a Mini X so we could put in a septic tank. And our great neighbor Phil was helping us out. Here's the truck to lay the tank in. Tank is down, ready to be plumbed. We had to fill it with water so it wouldn't float. That is the AC closet between 2 of the smaller bedrooms. Cabinetry is getting ready to get put on the wall. The island, we actually used some more of that floor since it was so sturdy. All right, cabinets are hung. It's going to be time to paint them. Oh, there it is, painted. And got countertops on, under counter lights, and that's the end result there. And we just really, really liked it. We painted this corner fireplace that was propane to help with heat. And then we painted the vinyl to match the house. We also painted that shed on the left there. So here is the finished product. Pool house and shed the same color as the house. We also painted this pool deck and the pool.